Hello po, magandang araw muli ako si Joanna Juan from Domestic Helper dito sa Hong Kong. Para po sa may video na to, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung video na pinasa ko sa employer ko bago nila ako interviewin, bago nila ako maselect. At tips na rin po pagkatapos video na ito.
Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, Sir, Madam. My name is Joanna Rivera Juan. I'm 25 years old. I'm married with one boy child, 1 year and 3 months old. My educational attainment is a high school graduate.
Then, do you have working experience?
Yes, Sir, Madam. My working experience here in Philippines is a all-around housemaid with one family, 2 girls. They have 2 children, 2 girls, 5 years old and 1 year old. I did cleaning, washing, ironing, cooking, marketing, and babysitting from February 2015 to February 2017.
Then, who will take care of your children when you come to Hong Kong?
My parents, Sir, Madam.
Then, are you willing to take care a newborn baby?
Yes, Sir, Madam.
If the baby is crying or the children is naughty, what will you do?
If the baby is crying, either the baby is hungry, the diaper of baby is dirty, or the baby is sick. If the baby is sick, I will inform my employer immediately. Or if the children is naughty, I will encourage them by playing or sing a song for them.
Then, are you willing to share room with kids or newborn baby?
Yes, Sir, Madam.
Could you sing a nursery song?
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Okay. Are you okay if your leave is on Saturday or Sunday?
Yes, Sir, Madam.
Are you okay if your leave is compensated by the employer instead of leave?
Yes, Sir, Madam.
Are you willing to take care of dogs and cats?
Yes, Sir, Madam.
And what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me as a domestic helper. I'm cheerful, trustworthy, obedient, and a helpful person. I am willing to follow my employer's instruction. I can work under pressure, and I promise to finish my contract. Thank you.
Yan pong video na yan yung binasa ng agency sa employer ko, kaya po nila ako na-select. Tapos po pagkayari po nilang sabihin na select nila ako, na-hired nila ako, in-interview na po nila ako ngayon. Ngayon, sabi ng agency, maghanda ka, and then, ayun na nga po, kailangan maayos na damit ka, yung presentable, naka-collar ako noon, tapos naka-pony, walang makeup, and then, kailangan sabihin mo agad sa kanila ng good morning, bumatik agad, good morning, and good afternoon, good evening, ganyan, at huwag kakalimutang mag-smile. Nung in-interview na ako mismo ng amo ko, simple lang naman po yung mga tanong niya. Una, please introduce yourself. Tapos, sumunod is, marunong ka bang kumanta ng mga nursery rhyme? Opo, marunong po ako kumanta ako minsan. Sinampo lang po sila. Tapos, tinanong din po nila kung marunong po ako magluto ng Chinese food at sinabi ko po, hindi po, pero willing po ako to learn. At sinigurado din nila na aalagaan ko mabuti ang kanilang anak. After nga po ng mga katanungan nila, ayun, sinabi nila, okay, kakausapin namin ang agent mo para sa process ng batil mo and see you soon. Sabi po nila, thank you ma'am, see you soon po. Yun lang naman po yung sinabi ko sa kanila. Tapos, yun na po ang umpisa ng aking journey dito sa may Hong Kong. So guys, yun lamang po ang aking ilang tips para sa pagpunta dito sa Hong Kong. Sana ay nakatulong. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye!